Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Cricfy TV on an Amazon Fire TV stick using an iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, Cricfy TV is an app that lets you watch live cricket and sports for free. This app is not available on the Amazon App Store, so we have to install it manually. On your Fire TV home screen, go to Settings, then open My Fire TV, click on Developer option. If you don't see Developer options, go to About, select Fire TV stick and tap the OK buttons for 7 times. Now go back, open Developer option and turn app from unknown source on. Now go back to the Fire TV home screen, open search and type downloader. Download and install the downloader app. This app helps you download files instantly. In the downloader app, in the URL box, enter the Cricfy TV APK link and press go. Wait for the file to download. When the download is complete, click install. After installation, click done and delete the APK file to save space. Now go to the app and channels on your Fire TV, scroll down and open Cricfy TV, and that's it. You can now enjoy live cricket and sports on your Fire TV. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.